Flashback Friday with Taylor. Scene 1, take 1.
Oh, hello there, my name is Taylor. When I'm not at NUTV working through our extensive archives, I enjoy wood carving to pass the time. The things I made are a small figurine, these clogs, a new chair, this stylish hat, and the Taj Mahal. Check out this video from 1995 where sculptor Rick Silas carves a wild horse from recovered wood.
Time I was very young, I started playing with clay and carving wood, and it's pretty much been non-stop ever since. The chainsaws came in about maybe 12 years ago now, and I met Lloyd Beckendorf, who's a friend of mine who builds huge log homes out in Cochrane, ships them all over the world, and he showed me some really interesting chainsaws he had that were custom designed for carving, and I started using them, and I got to admit, part of the it's an interesting experience working with the chainsaws because they work so delightfully fast. You can achieve your vision at such an incredible speed. I think, again, as a sculptor, to arrive at the vision as quickly as possible was the objective, because the longer the vision sits, the farther it'll be from the original vision you're trying to arrive at. The chainsaws, for now, work quite well as a piece of high-tech gadgetry to get you there real quick. Project this week, we're going to spend the next 10 days turning that 3,000-pound piece of poplar into one of these. Only it won't be chrome. But basically it'll be a horse rearing on its hind legs. The bottom part, the only difference is the horse will be up a little higher, and the bottom will have some dust clouds to give it the structure it's going to need to hold it up. So basically there's a horse inside there, and what that is right now there's thousands of poplar trees in Calgary that are being cut down because they're too old. They were planted about 100 years ago by a group of settlers, actually. I did one whole planting one summer. And now all these trees have all reached their full longevity. They're all being removed, and there's really no use for them. They're all heading off to the landfill. But one of the things we found out is the landfill actually costs about $1,000 to lose one of these big trees in. So the city is becoming very cooperative about giving them to me for free.
Well, Taylor, it's been a slice. Thank you so much on behalf of all of us from NUTV. Thank you for your help on the archive. We hope you come to visit us soon. See you.
Fine.